Callum, you still await that elusive first point as the manager of Newtown, but what did you make of your team's performance tonight?
I thought it was a close game, to be honest. I thought what ultimately hurt us was the first 5 minutes of both halves. 2 sloppy goals. Aside from that, I thought it was nip and tuck. They had a spell, we'd have a spell. It was a bit of an untidy game, which there was a great deal of quality in it. But we haven't worked the keeper enough when we've had opportunities. So, yeah, really disappointing, frustrating. But overall, you know, look at the last 2 weeks, we've taken the top 2 to the wire. We're 30 seconds away from getting a point against TNS, a well-deserved point. And we've taken Pen-y-bont, you know, close tonight. So, can't be too critical. Again, I keep saying, I know it's like a broken record, but we've got a lot of senior players out. And, you know, look at the average age of the team that finished the game tonight, and it's probably around 19, 20. So, I can't be overly critical. We are where we are at the moment, but we're ready to fight in the second phase.
Rhys, an 8th away win of the season. I'm sure you're delighted with the 3 points here tonight.
Yeah, I thought it was a bit of a banana skin for us. They're a better side than the league suggests. They've got some really good players that we've battled with for a few years, and I knew it was going to be tough, and it was tough. You know, I think I'd be surprised if your highlights show many chances for them. I didn't think they had hardly any chances, but they were, apart from the short time we were 2-0 up, they were always in the game.
And you scored at crucial times, 5 minutes into the first half, 2 minutes into the second. Owen Pritchard, crucial finishes.
Well, he's got the quality, you know, there's no doubt about that. His finishes earlier on in the season are a different class, and I thought he could have had a hat-trick, albeit from a good save from their keeper. So, yeah, he deserves that, and he's worked hard to get himself back in the team, so I'm really pleased for Owen.
And the only negative, perhaps, was conceding that sloppy goal to Dominic Smith.
Yeah, it was a poor goal to concede, and not just, you know, obviously the natural instinct is to look at the final moments of it, but it was sloppy leading up to that. And I think that's our job as sort of managers and coaches to analyse that. I'm sure Callum feels the same about our goals, perhaps, but from my perspective, having just gone 2-0 up, it made the rest of that half a lot more difficult than it needed to be. But saying that, I thought we had a lot of chances tonight. A lot of balls fizzed across the face. Venner's uncharacteristically missed a good chance, and you know, like I said, full respect to Newtown because they were always in the game, but at the same time, it could easily have been 4 or 5.
Owen, llongyfarchiadau ar y 3 phwynt, a 2 gol I ti, reit ar ddechrau'r hanner cynta, a reit ar ddechrau'r ail hanner, gwych.
Ie, oedd e'n teimlad really dda. Wrth gwrs oedd e'n trip eitha mawr ar nos fawrth, ond I dod lan fan hyn cael 3 phwynt, mae'n teimlad arbennig.
Mae dy reolwr Rhys Griffiths yn gweud bod ti wastad yn y lle iawn ar yr amser iawn.
Ie, dyna sut mae'n teimlo. Dwi ddim yn gwybod sut neu pam, ond mae fe jyst yn cwmpo I fi, a wedyn gyd fi gallu neud yw jyst trio taro'r rwyd, really.